Hi students, welcome to KSM classes. Today we will discuss a few problems on inverse trigonometric functions. The first problem is, if sin inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to pi by 6 and cos inverse x minus 2 sin inverse y equal to pi by 3, then x plus y equal to. Let us look into the solution. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to pi by 6, cos inverse x minus 2 sin inverse x equal to pi by 3. Adding these two equations, sin inverse x plus cos inverse y plus cos inverse x minus 2 sin inverse y is equal to pi by 2. Here, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. For all x belongs to minus 1 comma 1. So here this is a formula which we can make use of. So using this formula here we are getting pi by 2 sin inverse x plus cos inverse x plus cos inverse y can be written as pi by 2 minus sin inverse y minus 2 sin inverse y is equal to pi by 2. This pi by 2 and pi by 2 gets cancelled. 3 sin inverse y is equal to pi by 2. Sin inverse y equal to pi by 6. Implies y is equal to half. Now, here you substitute this one in this equation. From the second equation, cos inverse x minus 2 sin inverse y. 2 into sin inverse y, pi by 3 is equal to pi by 3. Implies cos inverse x is equal to 2 pi by 3. X is equal to minus half. Because the range of cos inverse x is from 0 to pi, cos inverse x can be 2 pi by 3 and x equal to minus half. So x plus y is equal to 0. So 0 is the solution. Here now the domain of sin inverse x is equal to minus 1 comma 1, cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 comma 1. The range of sin inverse x is equal to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, and cos inverse x is equal to 0 comma pi. You can make use of this formula also in this term. So this is the answer. The second problem is, range of fx is equal to cot inverse minus x minus tan inverse x plus secant inverse x is. Now here let us look into the solution. Cot inverse fx is equal to cot inverse minus x minus tan inverse x plus secant inverse x. Cot inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Pi minus cot inverse x. You can write this formula here. It can be written as pi minus cot inverse x minus tan inverse x plus secant inverse x. By taking minus common, you can write like this. So here cot inverse x plus tan inverse x is equal to pi by 2. For all x belongs to R. So these are the two formulas. You can make use of these two formulas here. So pi minus, this is pi by 2 plus secant inverse x. So this is pi by 2 plus secant inverse x. Now the range of secant inverse x is, the range of secant inverse x is equal to closed 0 pi minus pi by 2. or it can be written as closed 0 pi by 2 open union pi by 2 open to pi closed. Now here you can apply that because secant inverse x is a line between 0 pi by 2 and pi by 2 to pi. You can add this one. Therefore range of fx is equal to, you can add it to that pi by 2 plus 0 pi by 2 pi by 2 to pi by 2 pi open union pi is a pi plus pi by 2 means 3 pi by 2. So this is the range of that one. The third question is number of solutions of the equation cos inverse cos x is equal to 10 minus x by 10 comma x belongs to 0 comma 4 pi. This is a question given in the JEE. Now here, first of all, let us draw the graph of cos inverse cos x. Let us consider y equal to cos inverse of cos x. Cos x being a function which is a periodic with period 2 pi, so the period of this function is also 2 pi. So period is period of cos inverse cos x is equal to 2 pi. So you can keep in mind. And now let us consider the graph. This is 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. And now here it is minus pi, minus 2 pi, like this. Now cos 0, 1, cos inverse 1, cos inverse 1 means 0. Cos pi, minus 1, cos inverse minus 1, pi. So here you take some pi by 2 and this is the pi. So you can have pi here. Next 2 pi, cos 2 pi means cos 0 itself, 1, cos inverse 1, 0. So the graph will be like this. Because it is a periodic about 2 pi, the second one is also like this, On this side also you will find the same. So here also the curve will be like this. So like this is the curve. It will extend like this. Now here we will take the line given as, or the cos inverse cos x is given as 10 minus x by 10. So we will consider y equal to 10 minus x by 10, which can be taken as 1 minus x by 10. If you put x is equal to 0, y will become 1. If you take x is equal to 0, y will become 1. So this is a pi by 2 and this is pi, of course. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 1. 1 means somewhere here. Put y equal to 0. If you take y is equal to 0, x is equal to 10. Because pi is equal to 3.14. So 3 pi is 3 into 3, 9 point something. So the line will be like this is the line. This is the line. So this is the line. Y is equal to 1 minus x by 10. This is intersecting this particular curve in 3 points, 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, number of solutions is equal to 3.